everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am going to share my experience in this video, and as you know there is a series I am running that how to speak fluently and confidently. So this is the video number 2. Okay, and in this video I am going to share my experience, what I did to improve my fluency and what I did to improve my communication skills. Alright, so in this video I am going to share my experience, the reality, based on reality. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, I am talking about the real experience, what I did to improve my fluency. And I remember one day I got demotivated while learning this language. I got demotivated thoroughly, and I was not aware that what is going on with me. I was not able to control myself. However, I did something to overcome this situation. You need to do one thing. Whenever you get demotivated, you need to ask a question to yourself. That is, why am I learning this language and why have I started this journey? I remember that one day I was losing myself during the journey. I was getting demotivated thoroughly. Then I made myself understand and I tried to ask some question to myself. And I asked to myself, why am I learning this language and why have I started this journey? Why I want to learn this language? And let me clear myself. When you are answering to yourself, make sure that you are confident so that your answer would be valid or appropriate, that can improve, that can help you to build your confidence. Okay, if for example, if your answer that I am learning this language just for the sake of learning, no, this is not valid answer. If your answer is that you are learning to prove someone, no, this is also not valid answer. Okay, you need to find out the valid reason why are you learning this language. Once you find out your valid reason, you start getting motivated during the journey. And I can assure you guys, once you ask to yourself this question, when you find out your valid answer, your answer can make you boost towards the next level, towards the next journey. Okay, so I would say you need to ask to yourself, why am I learning this language? If I talk about myself, so I asked to myself the same question. So I found out the valid reason that there is something that is important during this journey. And I just wanted to make myself the importance of this language. I made myself understand the importance of the language and I understood very well. Okay, and the thing is, when I realized that why the English is important, I started working on it. And the next question you need to ask to yourself, what are you doing to your parents? They born you, they raised you, then but what you are giving you to your parents? When you find out the valid reason, you can be motivated all the time. I remember one day I was having a conversation to my mom and she was telling me that when she was young, she wanted to become a motivational speaker. But for some reason, she could not become motivational speaker. But that day I was there and I decided to become a motivational speaker. And I promised her that don't worry, if you could not become, don't worry, I will make you feel proud and I will become motivational speaker. So don't worry mom, I will make you proud. That day I was there and that time, at the same time, I decided to become a motivational speaker. Then I started my journey and I just wanted to become motivational speaker in English so that I can I can fulfill my mom desire and I can make her feel proud. That's why I have started this journey. So I hope you have understood very well how you have to question to yourself. Okay, when your answer would be valid, I can assure you will never get demotivated again and again. Sometimes you can, but you have to remind yourself again and again and again. You will definitely achieve your goal. Try to remind your goal, your success, your that day. Why? So guys, I just wanted to make you understand. Try to remind that day why you have started this journey. And whenever you get demotivated, recall the day why did you start this journey. Once you have understood why did you start, definitely I'm telling you, you will never get demotivated again and again. I just wanted to relate something to my experience, my valid reason. I just wanted to make you understand throughout the video that how you can be motivated all the time. Just you need to remind yourself again and again. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video motivated you, so please support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.